Hi everyone, how you doing? I hope all of you are doing very fine. So today I bring you the opportunity, I bring you a new opportunity that pays Nigerians in naira. So I'll be introducing you guys to Benefix. Yes, Benefix. Benefix will be launched tomorrow, which is on the 12th of October. So this is a new platform that pays users. Now they said, who are we? Let me read it out for you guys. So it says, at at Benefix, we are pioneers in digital economy and committed to empowering individuals to achieve financial freedom through the strategic use of social media. Our team is made up of digital marketing experts, financial strategy, financial strategists, and technology enthusiasts who understand the power of online platforms in shaping financial futures. We believe in limited potential of digital world, and we are here to guide our users in endlessly in ending at potential to create real sustainable income. Now they said our mission is to inspire, educate, and equip our users with the tools and the knowledge they need to strive in digital landscape by leveraging the power of TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. We aim to transform the way people think about earning online, turning everyday social media activities sorry, into profitable ventures. So this is what Benefix is all about. Now let's quickly discuss their package, okay? Because um, every platform has its own package. So let me move back one a bit. So now registration fee for Benefix is 7,000. Yes, a one-time payment will be made 7,000 per registration, and immediately you register you'll be given 6,000 naira back, and this 6,000 naira is withdrawable. Like, you can withdraw your 6,000 naira back. And any platform that doesn't charge you for money, please run away from it. So for every sales you make on benefits, that is, for every reference that you make on benefits, you get 6,000 naira back. Like, you get 6,000 naira sales commission. For first direct sales, you make 300. Second direct in sales, you make 100. Then daily claim on benefits is 1,500. That is, you refer or you no refer, you'll be getting 1,500 naira daily. And that's that about that. Now, benefits adds a lot of benefits. I know you'll be wondering to ask, what are the benefits, and what are the benefits of benefits? These are the benefits, okay? Do you know that you can earn 100 to 200 weekly by tapping on your screen? Benefits as a game people play. It has a ministry box, right? If you open this ministry box, it can be land, it can be iPhone, it can be money. When you open and you claim, whatever it is that you open in the ministry box will be sent to you. If it's money, it will be sent into your account. Then for daily upload, for every upload you upload on TikTok or Facebook that has views, you'll be paid. You'll be paid if your video has views. So the way benefits work, it has a lot and lot of benefits. Now, benefits, sorry. Let me read some to you. Okay. There's one, they say grab Insta 6,000 naira welcome bonus. Did you see? I mentioned that earlier. Monetize TikTok and Instagram without hassle of foreign accounts. That is, TikTok and Instagram is not paying Nigerians. So by you joining Benefix, you can monetize your channels. Then weekly reward from the Ultra box. Now I told you that you can make 100,000 to 200,000 by opening that lottery box or ministry box. Then earn 7,000 naira just for uploading TikTok content. Guaranteed monthly sales is tentative we earn you earn when you sleep. That is, they said guaranteed monthly sales. Then unlock 15 plus exciting way to earn big on Benefix. Now you can advertise your business. If you're a business person, if you have something to advertise, here is an opportunity to advertise it on Benefits, because many people are looking into it now. So your business will get the visibility you're looking for. Now they say daily commission, no referrals. Okay, you get to get daily commission without you not referring. Now they say benefit talent, you can showcase your skills. This thing is packed. The packages and the plan they have for each and every one of us is a packed um is a package something. So they said blaze fast withdrawing, get your cash in no time into your bank account. Earn 6,000 naira on every single sales you make. I've said that earlier. Major pool games. Turn your passion into real cash. Get paid 3 times in a week, whether you're an athlete or not. That is, you get paid 3 times if you're an athlete or you are not an athlete. Like, it's not necessary you register somebody. It's not necessary somebody join through your link. You can withdraw your money 3 times in a week. Now they said access the biggest trading hub. I said it. You can advertise your products. Then they said 1.5 for every 1,000 TikTok views. Then 24/7 dedicated support system. We're always there for you. So now there are a lot of benefits on benefits. I'm so sorry, I'm mixing them together. So you can earn money by playing games. Let me just round it off. You can earn money by playing games. You can earn money by referring somebody, which is not necessary. You can earn money by doing daily taxes, like liking a video on TikTok and get 2,000 naira. Let me say in a day you'll be making 5,000 naira. In a day you'll be making 5,000 naira. Is that not money? So guys, if you want to join Benefix, I'll leave the link down in my description. The link will be for my Telegram channel. So if you join, we'll take it from there. Please just have it at the back of your mind that you are paying a one-time fee of 7,000 naira. After the 7,000 naira, you can make millions. It's none of anybody's business. Okay? So that's just how it works. See you on the Benefix side. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.